If you're using Novamira on your WordPress website, you know that you can create extra bits of codes that can do funky stuff. Maybe it's the front end of your website or the back end. It could be with your WordPress, could be with a page builder, it could be with anything that Novamira has got access to. But what if you want to reuse that code, or you want to investigate it further, but you want to do it outside of Novamira? Now, there's nothing wrong with Novamira, but I just want to give you the capability of exporting it as a PHP or a JSON. And when you click these buttons, it will export it to your downloads folder. So how do you get these extra buttons? Quite simply, just go and add this code snippet. A link for this is in the video description. Go and download it, unzip it, go and use the code snippets plugin, go and save and activate after you're giving it a title. And then what you'll now have, in addition to the enable and disable functionality of the sandbox, or the fact that you could go and delete, you now got these two export buttons. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Take care. See you soon. Bye.